Hello guys, today I am going to talk about a new problem that we have to solve. This cell contains numbers and letters, but I want the letters only. That's why I have to remove the numbers and get the letters. Let's see how can we do this. To remove the number from the cell, I have to use substitute function, and I have to type substitute function 10 times because there are 10 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 that should be removed. 10th substitute function is for 10 numbers. First substitute function, second substitute, third substitute, fourth substitute, fifth substitute, sixth substitute, seventh substitute, eighth substitute, ninth substitute, and the last substitute. And here we can see the direction of the function. Here is the text. I have to give the cell reference that contains the text, and the next argument is old text. First I have to type 0 that I have to replace by nothing. That's why I have to give double quotation as new text, and then close it and go for the next, and I have to type 1, and I have to do the same things till 9. And the last bracket that has been given, and close it and press enter, and here is the wanted text. The numbers have been removed and the text that we get and by using substitute function. Thank you.